Are you ready for the most important video of your lifetime? It's creating your private key for a hardware wallet for full self-custody. Today, I'm going to go through creating a BIP39 seed phrase on a device, and the ins and outs. I will give you some information about it as well. Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al-Ahmed, if you didn't already know, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, lol. I'm going to be using a OneKey hardware device, and I will be creating a 12-word seed phrase if it allows me to, or 24-word. 12-word probably would be easier just to demonstrate, and hopefully you will gain some valuable information regarding this process. So I'm just going to switch it on and I'll set it up. So I'm going through the whole process, showing you everything. I will be writing it down on a computer. I do not advise this. When you get a hardware device, they normally give you a sheet. You should write it down there. And when you do that, I highly recommend that you do not have any cameras around you or anything. Obviously, I've got like 50 cameras looking at this right now. I am not going to be using this seed phrase. I'm going to be destroying it later and just disregarding it. However, what I do recommend that you do purchase is a crypto tag. A crypto tag Zeus. This is something that you can use to basically store your seed phrase. And if you look here, just a quick close up, this is a crypto tag. It's basically, it uses the BIP39 standard. Do watch my crypto tag unboxing to get more details of this, and I've got all my affiliate links below. Obviously that does help me out. But yeah, let's get straight to it, right? So English, let's click on that. I will go to English, press the blah 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 key to go back. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Quick start, next, blah, blah, blah. Create new wallet. This is what I'm going to do. I'm creating a new wallet. The reason is, right, you can do an import wallet, but there's no need to do that. Create wallet, and we're going to be creating the 12-word, okay? So generate a standard wallet with a new set of recovery phase. 12, 24, 12, 18, and 24. This is the BIP39 standard, okay, the protocol, to basically have the mnemonics of words from your actual private key, which is just numbers or characters. We're going to be doing 12 for the ease of education for this video. I highly recommend doing 24 words. I would never do 12. I would even go to the extent of getting something that's Shamir backup to watch my video regarding that, lol. Anyway, basically 24 words, sorry. Ooh, nearly clicked the wrong one. This would have been a lengthy video, lol. But yeah, 12 words. The next screen will start displaying 12 words called the recovery phrase. Write it down and sheet in order. So that's what you need to do, okay? This is giving the words. I'm going to be writing on my computer. As I said, this is fully exposed, okay? So I don't really care. So bulk is what I'm typing there. The next word's going to be clay. And then truck. And then fence, and then talent, and then bronze, and then exact, and then ghost, and then era, and then royale. I don't know why I'm saying it like that, lol, but royal, ritual, and then draft. That should be the last one. There we go. You're gonna have to retype it in, okay? Next, check the 12 words written and type it in. So okay, it's just showing it there. Recovery phrase 1 to 6. So bulk, clay, truck, fence, talent, bronze. Okay, have I got that there? Done. Yes, I do. Exact. Okay, I just want to highlight here, right, it's very important that you keep this the most secure that you can. As I said, having something that's titanium, where if it's like acid proof, fireproof, even if your house burnt down and stuff. The reason is, it depends on how valuable your crypto assets are to you. For example, if you're gonna keep millions of pounds or whatever currency that, whatever fiat that you use in like a Bitcoin, for example, obviously you want to secure this. It's like having access to your bank account. Whoever has these 12 words or 24 words, hopefully in your scenario, they have access to all of your money, all of your assets. there's something else. Do watch this video. It's my passphrase video. I explain what that is, but I will go to an extent of having a passphrase of like 40 characters and above. That's getting a bit more technical now, but something to look into. Okay, if you're new to crypto and new to the space, just understand this. This is so vital. So if you had an examination, right, this would probably be 10 marks out of 100. This question alone, the fact that the passphrase, the private key, how important is it? It's the most vital. This 12 words is what you need to keep secure, or 24 words, okay? Titanium, it's just a must. It's just like, oh, I spent £100 on this, spend another 100 on securing your private key, okay? Anyways, and as I said, do not have any cameras around. Do not ever type it into anything that's digital like I just did on my MacBook. You should never do that because it's exposed. It's exposed. Even if you have no virus, I don't care. To me, it's exposed. That's why I don't care about soft wallets. You probably already know this about me. Anyways, check recovery phrase. Next, follow the guide and check the words one by one. Bulk. So now you have to choose which one, right? And we're going to be following it. It's just making sure that you know what you've actually picked. So bulk, and then it was clay, and then it was truck, and then it was fence, I believe. Fence, and then it was talent, then it was bronze. Let's memorize the next 6 words: exact, ghost, era, royal, ritual, and draft. So exact, ghost, era, royal, ritual, and draft. Was I right? Almost done. Recovery phase is the only way to recover your assets, so keep it in a safe place. Set a 4 to 9 digit pin. Lol. We're gonna obviously make this simple. It's starting with 6. I want to do something that's very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guessed it right, lol. The most secure passcode in the world, lol. Do not do this, okay? It's obviously a joke that I'm doing here. 3, 4, and this is only for the video, for this content, just to show you what to do. Obviously you have 8 characters, okay? Do not do 4, or it says 9 here, do 9, okay? 8, 9, 10, 11, if it allows 12, do 12, and then have a passphrase. Do watch that video, make sure you do, because it's very important. It does get a bit more technical, but it depends. If you've got like a million, okay, let's say an average amount, say like £20,000, right, in crypto. You want to protect that. You wouldn't allow somebody just to have access to your bank account now, would you? And it's congratulations, wallet is ready. Download the OneKey app, blah, 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 blah. Okay, download, it's telling you, this is a OneKey I'm using here. Okay, one thing I want to, oh, what is that? Okay, I think that's the Bluetooth compatibility. Obviously, I'm not going to go through the device itself here. Do you sometimes feel, where does JBINZALA get all of these clothing from? He's always got these Bitcoin or crypto-related clothings. Well, you can find it all on my official store on jbinzala.xyz. You can also find my crypto asset portfolio and my shares portfolio. In addition, you can find articles to help you out if you have any questions, and if you really need help one-to-ones, well, you can book a one-to-one with me through my website. Don't forget, you get 15% off all products and services if you pay with Bitcoin. Lol. So do check out my website. There's a lot of stuff there, and I think it'll be beneficial for you. With all of that said, let's get back to the content. That's basically what you would do to create your BIP39 seed phrase. Now, I want to explain a few theory behind all this before you do click on the X button and do a like on this video. But basically what it is right, BIP39, there's 2048 words, okay? This is where this 24 words is getting randomized and generated from. So this device itself is generating that from that word pool of 2048 words to create your 12 words, which gives you access to your funds. You can do up to 18 or 24. Obviously, I highly recommend 24, as I've been mentioning across this whole video. But basically, that is your passphrase, your private key. What is a private key? Let's quickly delve into that. A private key identifies that you are the person signing. Let's not forget, these hardware devices are a signing tool. Okay, you're signing a transaction. You're signing you're basically a transaction to broadcast to say, yeah, this is me saying that, yeah, to take these funds, or I want to give you this, or I want to buy that NFT, or I want to do this and that. Okay, the private key is very essential to keep private, and do not share it anywhere Anyway, if you think it's exposed, do watch my video regarding what happens if you break one of these or if you lose your hardware wallet. I just want to give you a pointer quickly here because I want this video to be bombarded with information just so you get the most crucial advice regarding crypto hardwares and assets, right? A hardware, look, my mouth's going dry, I need some water, but basically a hardware device, if you ever lost your hardware or whatever, these hardware devices can be replaced. You can get many. Your seed phrase you can port to any hardware, okay? That's just a quick summary. Do watch my video more in depth regarding what to do if you ever lost or if it was damaged or if it wasn't working, the battery's dead, oh, it's not working, I've only got one. Something to think about, but you need to have contingencies. It's like, for example, FCA in the UK, they give up to £85,000 if your bank account was hacked or whatever and money was stolen. Please don't quote me on this, but yeah, like you need to think of these contingencies and like disaster recovery and stuff. But anyways, if you did want one of these, by the way, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm also doing a giveaway of a Ledger Nano S. Do watch my 2 giveaway videos, I guess, and yeah, I do many giveaways. Just go onto my Discord. Yeah, my Discord has a lot of information, and those videos have information of how to enter these giveaways. You can win stuff and get stuff for free. Just be part of the community, be involved. Make sure you subscribe, lol. That's one of the criteria in all of these giveaways, lol. But yeah, hopefully you did enjoy the video. Hopefully it was educational. Hopefully you understand a bit more about these hardware wallets, and hopefully it's unraveling and then you're understanding what self-custody is. I am a full self-custody advocate. But anyways, lastly, let's not forget, together let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video, especially if you subscribed.